Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel Power of Nutrition. Hope you're doing well. A delicious ball of steamed vegetable is actually the healthiest way to eat all your vegetables in a balanced way and not compromising on your taste. An excellent way to cook your vegetables that actually soften the veggies yet retain their color, their flavor and their goodness. Here is a quick recipe on how to prepare a super healthy ball of steamed vegetable which is loaded with all the nutrients and taste. For preparing this vegetable ball, you can use any vegetables that you like because most of the vegetables can be easily steamed, and cooking your vegetables in this way helps to retain, as I said, all the flavors, its colors, its nutritional value and all its goodness. So friends, definitely do try preparing this vegetable ball at home, and I bet that you would like this because it is super healthy and super tasty. And if you like this video, if you like the recipe that I've shared, do come back and subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell, and whatever comments, whatever questions you have, you can definitely put those in the comment box below. I thank you for watching this video. I thank you for investing your time, your valuable time in watching this video. I hope the information in this video helps you. This is Sham Sawant for Power of Nutrition. I will see you next week with another video. Until then, goodbye.